So lie down comfortably in Shavasana. Get ready for the practice of Yoga Nidra. Now that we have reflected upon differences between resting and recovery, let us move from understanding to direct experiencing. Allow your legs to be slightly apart, palms facing upwards, away from the body, and adjust your body so that you can remain completely still throughout the practice. If you need to make any adjustments, just do it now. And once you're comfortable, just close your eyes. Resolve to remain awake and aware throughout the practice. Do not sleep and simply listen to the mind, following the instructions, and allow yourself to follow the instructions with ease, following the voice that's guiding you into the practice. And now take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in and gently and slowly exhale. Then allow the whole body to relax. And feel the natural weight of your body being supported by the ground. The earth beneath you is completely supporting you. Just remember, there is nowhere to go. There is nothing to do. There is nothing to achieve. Simply remain aware and stay with the practice. And now become aware of the sounds around you. Do not analyze them. Do not search for them. Simply become a witness. Become aware of the most distant sound, the nearer sounds. The sounds around you in the room, within your room. And finally, bring the awareness back to your own body lying quietly on the floor. And now bring your awareness to your sankalp, your heartfelt resolve, and repeat it mentally 3 times with conviction, full faith, and awareness. And if you do not have a sankalp yet, you can silently repeat this sankalp. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. We will now begin with the rotation of awareness of the body. Become aware of each part as it is named. Do not move, simply be aware. Take the awareness to the right side of the body, the right hand, the right forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, right waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and the entire right side. And now take the awareness to the left side of your body, the left hand, the left forearm, the left elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side of the chest, left waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, left foot, and the entire left side. And now take the awareness to the back of the head, your neck, shoulders, the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, your buttocks, and both the legs, the heels. And now bring the awareness to the front side of your body, on the top of the head, your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, nose, cheeks, your lips, chin, throat, chest, abdomen, pelvis, your genitals, both the legs together, both the arms together, and the whole body together. Become aware of the whole body lying quietly on the floor. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body. And now become aware of your natural breathing. Do not change it. Simply observe it and feel the cool air entering through the nostrils. And as you exhale, feel the warm air leaving the nostrils. Cool air entering the nostrils as you inhale, and the warm air leaving the nostrils as you exhale. Now become aware of the gentle movement of your abdomen. As you inhale, the abdomen gently rises, and as you exhale, it softly falls. And now, maintaining the awareness of the breath and the abdomen, start counting backwards from 11 to 1. Begin counting with your breath backwards from 11 to 1. 11, breathing in, 11, breathing out. 10, breathing in. And 10, breathing out. 9, breathing in. And 9, breathing out. And continue mentally at your pace. And if you lose count, simply begin again from 11. And now let go of the counting and allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. And now imagine that you're standing beside a quiet mountain stream. Imagine that you're standing beside a quiet mountain stream. The water is clear, it's pure, it's fresh, and it flows gently over the smooth stones without any effort, without any hurry. The water continues flowing naturally. And as you quietly observe the stream, allow yourself to let go of whatever no longer needs to be carried. Nothing needs to be forced. Simply watch the water flowing. Now imagine the first rays of the morning sun gently touching the mountains. And the light slowly spreads across the landscape. Everything becomes bright, fresh, alive, quiet. And now you can quietly rest in this peaceful atmosphere. And now once again you can bring your awareness to your sankalp, to your resolve, and repeat it mentally 3 times with full faith and conviction. And if you do not have a sankalpa, you can repeat this with me 3 times mentally. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. Every day I am becoming healthier, calmer, and more balanced. And now gradually bring your awareness back to the natural breath. And become aware of your whole body lying down on the floor. And feel the point of contacts between the body and the floor. And now become aware of your room. The space in the room. If there are people around you in the room. And now slowly take the awareness to the sounds around you. Become aware of the sounds around you. Slowly and gently coming back to awareness. You can gently begin to move your fingers. You can begin to move your toes. You can bring gentle, small movements into the body, waking up the body. You can stretch your arms above the head and give yourself a gentle stretch if you wish. Gently moving the body. You can now take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And as you're ready, you can roll on to the right side and remain there for some time with the support of your hands. Stay there, rest there, breathe in there. Like a baby, like a child. And feel the recovery. Feel the rest converting into healing and recovery. And now slowly and very gently, only when you feel that you're ready, you can gently come up into the sitting comfortable position. Only when you're ready, you can come up to the sitting position and bring your palms together at your heart. And now take a deep breath in. And together, let us chant Omkar. Once again, take a deep breath in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you.